Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make your own jewellery at home just using some pulses. For this, you will need a plastic sheet, pulses like Channa dal, Urad dal and some dried white peas, and air-dried clay, and finally some earring post and jump rings. Cut out 2 circles for the earrings and 1 for the pendant. Insert the earring post into the circles. Now take the clay and roll it flat. You don't need your earrings to be heavy, so make it as thin as possible. Then make a hole in the pendant and insert the jump ring. Now stick the pulses in a design as you wish. Paint it completely using black acrylic color. Take a small amount of metallic silver paint and rub it with your fingers. Hope you like the video of making simple jewelry at home. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.